Meaning of discriminate.
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 Discriminate. The word discriminate means to treat someone or a particular group of people unfairly because of their race, gender, religion, or any other characteristic. Discrimination can take many forms, such as exclusion, harassment, or unequal treatment. Discrimination can have a significant impact on people's lives, leading to psychological distress, reduced opportunities, and social unrest. It is essential to recognize and challenge discriminatory practices to create an inclusive society where everyone is treated equally, regardless of their differences. Eliminating discrimination is crucial for promoting social justice, equality, and human rights.